In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if Gmail account is available. This is a quick, reliable way to see whether the email address you want is already taken without going through the full sign-up process. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google's sign-in page. If you're already signed in on your device, look for the option to add another account. Clicking Add Account takes you to the same sign-in screen you need. If you're not signed in at all, you'll land on that page automatically. Either way, you just need the standard Google sign-in box where it asks for your email or phone. In the email field, type the exact Gmail address you want to check, including everything before and after the @ symbol. Be precise here. Spelling, numbers, and any dots you plan to use should match how you want the address to look. Now, select Next. Google will immediately try to find a matching account. Here's how to read the result. If you see a message that says it couldn't find your Google account, that means there isn't an existing account with that exact address. In other words, that email is available to register during sign-up. If, instead, it moves forward and asks for a password, or says the account exists, then that address is already taken and you'll need to try a variation. A couple of quick notes to help you avoid confusion. Gmail ignores dots in the username. So, for example, adding or removing periods in the same spot won't create a truly different address. Make sure the variation you try is genuinely different, such as changing letters or numbers. Also, capitalization doesn't matter for Gmail addresses, so focus on the actual characters, not case. If the address you want is taken, try short additions that still feel natural, like a memorable number or a relevant word. Keep it simple and easy to share. Be mindful of typos when you test. A small mistake can make it look available when your real target isn't. And remember, this method is just a quick check. When you go to create the account, Google will confirm availability again. That's it. Go to the Google sign-in page, enter the Gmail address you want, hit Next, and check the message. If Google can't find the account, you're good to go. Fast, simple, and effective.